Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, and today we're showing you the Tusk Fender Eliminator kit for the Honda CRF300L. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking in. So today we're showing you the Fender Eliminator kit from Tusk for the 300L. If you have this bike, or maybe you're planning to pick one up, it is no secret that the stock fender on this bike is just not that good. It's big, it's bulky, it doesn't look that good, and if you are gonna be doing some off-road aggressive riding, it can be kind of a hazard to have on there. So an easy way just to get rid of all that, to clean everything up, have a better looking bike in the back, is to go with this Fender Eliminator kit. So as you can see, when it's installed, it just tightens everything up, and everything that I just talked about, you get rid of. Now, when you buy this kit, it's gonna come with your relocation bracket made from powder-coated steel, so very strong, has a good look to it. You do have an LED license plate light that will be on there as well. The heat shrink butt connectors will also be on there. You also have this HDPE plastic piece here that your license plate will attach to. So as far as mounting goes, it's a simple process. Detailed mounting instructions will come included. All the hardware comes included. So again, if you have the 300L and you just want to clean it up in the back, have a more sleek look, and you just want to get rid of all that bulk, this is a very easy and good looking way to do that. So if you do have questions or comments about this, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure, leave those in the comment section below. To grab this for your bike today, it is simple. You can just click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, these are bike specific, so make sure to enter the year, make, and model of your bike when you're picking yours up, and you'll be set and ready to rock and roll. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.